Every single Amazon FBA seller has struggled with Amazon PPC campaigns somewhere along their journey. So in today's video, I am going to show you a quick hack on how you can increase your PPC sales immediately. Hey guys, if you have been following me on Instagram, then you know that I love to optimize my Amazon PPC campaigns. In fact, after I figured out this hack, it has helped me with my PPC sales tremendously. So I want to share it with you today. This is our sales for one of our business accounts. In August, our total sales were over $471,000. Total ACoS is only 13%. Now, how did I do that? So I want to share with you one of the biggest hacks that I have. So today we will be looking at two example products so I can walk you through what you should be doing so you can increase your sales using Amazon PPC. By the way, if you guys are completely new to selling on Amazon and you need help, then I encourage you to get my free training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch my webinar to the end because you get to book a free one-on-one call with my team and we will walk you through the entire process on how to find winning products to sell that will actually make you money. Now, getting back on topic, I have my example product here today, which is the bathrobe. Now, this is super easy, you guys. Anyone can do this and you should start doing this today. Install your Helium 10 Chrome extension, open it up, and then go to Amazon Product Research. I will also show you how to include some of these keywords into Amazon Seller Central. But let's do this first. Let's sort the revenue from big to small. I just like to sort it from big to small for my own comfort. If you guys don't want to do that, that's fine. But let's have a look here. So if you are selling, let's pretend that you are selling a bathrobe. Okay, you're selling a bathrobe, and I'm sure if you are selling a bathrobe, you are selling a specific type of bathrobe. So maybe you're selling like a hooded bathrobe, maybe you're selling a cotton bathrobe, a fleece bathrobe, blah, blah, blah. What we want to do is get keyword ideas from our competitors so we can start optimizing our campaigns and not spend money on those bad keywords in our campaigns. So I know that sounds confusing, so let me show you what I mean. So this first example is threads women fleece hooded bathrobe, plush long robe. Now, if you are selling a bathrobe and your bathrobe is not long, let's just jot down some keywords actually. So I have my notepad here, long, plush, hooded. Okay, those are three keywords that came up. Fleece, hooded, plush, long bathrobe. Now, if your bathrobe is not long, it's not plush, it's not hooded, then you should optimize this right away. So let me show you what I mean by that. Let's look at a few more examples before we move along. So this is a kimono robes long knit. Okay, I see another keyword, knit, casual, and sleepwear. So let's type that down, knit, casual, sleepwear. And what you want to do for yourself is just look at some of the top sellers and get some keyword ideas on what is not your product, okay? So if I'm selling a bathrobe, or if you are selling a bathrobe, I keep getting us mixed up, I am noting down all the keywords that I see from my competitors that is not in my product. So my bathrobe is not long, it's not plush, it's not hooded, it's not knit, it's not casual, it's not sleepwear. What do I do with these keywords? Super simple. All we do is go over to Amazon Seller Central, go into your campaign manager and go into the ad group where you can add negative keywords. Now, if you guys are running Amazon PPC campaigns, you know exactly where this is, so I'm not going to review that. Add negative keywords. We want to put the keywords in negative exact or negative phrase. Now, if you guys do not know the difference between the two, you are in big trouble. Negative exact means that you are exactly putting this word only into the negative, whereas negative phrase means that all phrases containing this keyword are excluded from the search term. excluded from the Amazon search bar when customers type in bathrobe. So let's just take these keywords, for example. I'm going to copy them and I'm going to use negative phrase. Now, why do I want to use negative phrase? Because negative exact, like I said, is only going to negative exact these keywords. And I don't think anyone's typing in long or plush or hooded into the Amazon search bar, right? That's kind of weird. But I want to negative phrase all of the phrases when customers search these keywords. So when customers search sleepwear for women, my bathrobe is not appearing. When they search long bathrobe, my bathrobe is not appearing because I have a short bathrobe. So you are just getting ahead of yourself by getting keywords from your competitors and then optimizing your campaign from the get-go so you do not have to spend any money on it. Let's look at a different example. This is a backpack. If you guys want to check out my most recent Amazon PPC optimization YouTube video, then I recommend you to watch this video right here. I break down for you how to optimize your PPC campaigns so you can actually profit from your campaigns. Let's look at the next example. So I have a backpack right here. I pulled up my Helium 10 Chrome extension. Let's get some keyword ideas. Now let's pretend that you are selling a backpack, but you are probably selling a specific type of backpack, right? So this backpack is a laptop backpack. Okay, laptop and school backpack. Let's delete these. We have our keyword laptop, school, and then here we have a work book bag. Okay, book bag, that's a good one. And remember, I'm just jotting down keywords that do not describe my product. So your backpack is not for laptops, it's not for school, and it's not a book bag. So why would you want to waste money running these keywords? Let's keep going here. We have, looks like this one, we already have some keywords. This is nope, that is a bad one, bad example. Oh, okay, this is a mini backpack. The word mini, well, you're not selling a mini backpack. You're actually selling a decent size backpack. And then we have charging port. Interesting. So our backpack is not for charging. It's just a basic backpack. So let's put charging here. Take these keywords, and now we are going to put these keywords into the negative phrase. Now, if you do have longer keywords that are more descriptive of your product, then of course you will use negative exact, right? Like maybe if you want nobody to search for backpack laptop, then that's good for negative exact. But if you put exactly laptop in negative exact, it doesn't really do anything, right? So you have to understand the difference between negative exact and negative phrase. Now, if I put all of these keywords into negative phrase, it means that when customers go to this Amazon search bar and they type in any of these keywords, all of the phrases are excluded. And when they are excluded, they are not going to appear in the sponsored ads for all the phrases for that specific keyword, meaning you save a ton of money from the beginning. If you are running your campaigns and you are not doing this, and you find that in your search term report, there is a lot of bad keywords that don't make sense, then you should probably start doing this so you get keyword ideas and you put them into the negative from the very beginning so you don't even have to spend a single penny on these keywords. Then of course, all you do is click on add keywords and save, and that's it. Now you will be excluded from all of the phrases that contain these keywords. I hope this YouTube video has helped you today to save a ton of money in your Amazon PPC campaigns. I know a lot of you guys struggle with optimization, so you can check out my playlist on YouTube to help you optimize my PPC campaigns. And don't forget to get my training in the YouTube description below and book a free one-on-one consultation with my team, and we can help you figure this all out. I'll see you guys next week on my channel.